Many employees participate in lottery pools, and a few even win. My big brother participated in a lottery pool that won over $100,000. The proceeds were evenly divided, and no one in the pool created any conflict. Unfortunately, for some, it's not that smooth. To reduce the chances of conflict at your company, I'm going to show you how to set up and create a lottery pool at your office. My name is Nina, and I'm about to get in your business. The odds of your lottery pool winning the jackpot is like being attacked by a brown bear, a polar bear, and a great white shark in the same day. I recommend that companies and business owners not endorse or approve of lottery pools. I say this because your company can greatly reduce the chances of being dragged into a lawsuit if you, the business owner, did not give the lottery pool your seal of approval. Furthermore, I also recommend your company establish a policy in your employee handbook outlining your company's position on lottery pools. Here's an example. The X company does not approve or endorse any form of gambling on company time. Employees who would like to form an office lottery pool must inform management of their intentions. All activities are to be performed on employees' own time. With that being said, you can reduce the chances of any conflict within your company's office lottery pool by pointing the lottery pool manager in the right direction with regard to assistance in setting up the lottery pool. Let's get started. Participants in a lottery pool should first select a lottery pool manager. The lottery pool manager is the leader of the group and is the person who will actually set up the lottery pool program. The lottery pool manager will perform a list of duties that include, but are not limited to, collecting money. The lottery pool manager should be a trustworthy individual, since some of these lottery pools can contribute several hundreds or several thousands of dollars every week. Keep a list of who contributed to which game. That includes the participant's name and the date of the drawing. The lottery pool manager also goes to the store and purchases and identifies the tickets. For example, our lottery pool participated in the Powerball game with a drawing of December 1st, 2018. Copies of the ticket that shows the number selected are to be distributed to the participants. The lottery pool manager checks the results of the tickets and informs the participants if the team won or lost. Be sure the lottery pool manager is good with attention to detail and is punctual, since deadlines are crucial when notifying participants. A lottery pool agreement is not a contract written by an attorney. It is a document that outlines the lottery pool rules and guidelines. Business owners, I highly recommend obtaining a copy of this agreement and requesting that something is added to it to say something like, your company is not endorsing the formation of this lottery pool. Some of the subjects discussed in your lottery pool agreement could be the name of the lottery pool manager and that person's personal contact information. Establish the amount each participant is required to contribute, and what happens if that person doesn't contribute for that game period. What lottery games will be played? For example, scratch tickets, Powerball, or state lottery. How many lottery tickets will be purchased? Who is eligible to play? For example, only workers can participate, no spouses or any outside people. How copies of the lottery tickets will be distributed to participants? For example, will participants be sent an image of the ticket via text message? How smaller winnings will be distributed? If you win $10, it's not worth giving out a nickel to everyone. This is just some of the information that should be documented in a lottery pool agreement, and I suggest that you customize the agreement to fit your group. It is a good idea for the lottery pool manager to list the participants in the lottery pool for each period. If your lottery pool participants are playing weekly, you should create a list once a week. This list should be emailed to participants after purchasing lottery tickets, but before the announcement of the winning lottery numbers. Very important. The following information should be documented by the lottery pool manager and distributed to the participants. Name of the lottery game played, date of drawing, and the winning numbers. If smaller prizes are won, notify participants immediately. List the total amount won and a breakdown of what each participant would receive. The definition of smaller prizes should be clear, and how smaller prizes are distributed and utilized should be defined in the lottery pool agreement. If your lottery pool hits the jackpot, participants should meet immediately and be reminded of the guidelines in the lottery pool agreement. Discussions in the meeting should include how the lottery winnings are to be collected, how to distribute the money, hiring an attorney, paying taxes, and the most important thing, keeping quiet until the money is collected. Don't wait until after you've won a jackpot to start discussing these important issues. Creating a lottery pool can be a fun bonding experience for all of your employees, but not the business owner. I again recommend business owners not participate in lottery pools, nor do I recommend companies endorsing lottery pools. With proper planning, a lottery pool at your office can be a safe activity for your employees. Do you have a lottery pool at your location now? Have any of your employees ever approached you about the formation of a lottery pool? Does anyone know of a lottery pool that won a large jackpot? Please let me know in the comments below. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. If so, please click that thumbs up button. Also, if you're a business owner or manager, I invite you to please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos that are uploaded. Thanks for watching.